This is an LG ultrawide monitor. It is mostly trending under 15,000 rupees and offers great picture quality, and it comes in a big size. I ordered this LG ultrawide monitor during the offers time on Amazon. In this video, you will see the contents of inbox followed by setting up and my first initial impressions after using it for some time. You can check the exact model price by clicking the link in the description box. First, let's unbox this and have a look at what are the things, the contents that we get inside. Coming to the model of this monitor, it is 29WQ600. There are different models available in the same lineup with very bare minimum differences, and also the price fluctuates if you choose different models. This is the higher end variant that even supported for USB Type-C, meaning you can connect any laptop that supports USB Type-C display out port like the MacBooks. After breaking the seal, first we have a base support stand which is made up of with aluminum. Below that we have one screw to tighten or loosen the attachments that is going to be used to hold the monitor. Next, there is a charger to power this monitor. Yes, continuous power supply is needed to use this monitor, followed by some screws and HDMI port cable. This is so nice and good gesture from LG because they are providing this HDMI cable. Most of the monitors won't give this. Coming to the charger type, it is the same barrel charger you observe on most of the laptops. On the charger, they mentioned maximum input is 1.2 amps and the output is 1.7 amps. Next, we have a lot of paperwork including instruction guide, warranty and more. After that, we have one round cylindrical rod type thing that is made up of with plastic. It is actually helpful to hold the monitor with the base stand that we opened first after the breaking the seal. It is like a medium between the monitor and the base stand. I'll show you how and what it looks like after attaching it to the monitor. Below that we have the monitor. It feels too much heavy, and coming to the build quality, it is totally made up of with plastic. The quality of the plastic they used is not great. I can feel whenever I press any corner some sounds. It indicates that it is not a great plastic. It is very thin, and if you drop from at least 10 or 15 centimeters height, it is damn sure going to be broken. I chose the white color, and I don't know whether any different color options are available in this model. I opened the Amazon, checked the price and ordered it. That's all. On the back you can see all the ports that this LG ultrawide monitor is supported for. Basically, you know everything about this port. This is how you need to connect the base to use this monitor on the table. Everything is provided in the box. You don't need to buy anything outside. Only you need is a screwdriver to tighten the screws. Coming to the installation, it is pretty straightforward and no need to confuse here. One pro tip: while you are connecting the base, keep your monitor on the table corner like this and now attach it. It's very easy. Alright, now the installation process is completed, and now we are moving to the next step where I am connecting the laptop. First, power this monitor with the charger that is provided in the box. Now use the HDMI cable that is provided in the box and connect with your laptop to this monitor. Right after powering it on, it makes a beep sound. That means the monitor is turned on. Do note that continuous power supply is needed to use this laptop. If in case in your locality a lot of power cuts are happening, that is very hard for you to use this monitor until unless you make some power backup source. This is the first time I'm using the external monitor. Let's see how it satisfies me, especially from LG. Because we already know Sony, LG are the big brands in the market when it comes to these type of televisions and monitors. During the connection process, one more thing I noticed is if you connect first the HDMI cable to your laptop, then the monitor, it won't recognize. I don't know what's wrong with it. So first what you need to do is connect the HDMI cable LG monitor first and then connect to the laptop, then only it recognize. If you want to change the aspect ratio, the refresh rate and more, you need to open settings on your laptop and do the tweaks as you like. And also even we get a lot of settings in the LG monitor as well. If you want me to explain each and every setting, let me know in the comments. I'll post a dedicated video about this. The first thing I tried is to play a 8K video to check how crisp the picture quality is. Even though this is a 8K video, my laptop is maximum supported for 4K video playback. That's why this panel is also playing 4K. Actually, this is a 2K resolution panel. After using it for some time, the picture quality is not same as what you see on your most of the laptops. For me, the picture quality on this LG monitor is so sharp and pixelated. After using it for some couple of hours, I realized that this is due to the distance between me and the monitor. Later, I moved a little bit away from the monitor, then the picture quality is looking great. Later, I opened the Premiere Pro software to see how the timeline looks on this ultrawide monitor. Oh my god, it is big guys. I can do everything in a single shot. This is the beauty part of these ultrawide monitors. You can do multitask very easily. Coming to the speaker quality, it is good. And this is the only model that comes with the speakers. Remaining all won't have any speakers inbuilt. Coming to my usage, my main focus for this ultrawide monitor is to do multitasking along with video editing, gaming and content consumption like movies and YouTube videos. I'll use it for a couple of days or weeks, and after finalizing the good and bad things, I'll post a dedicated video on this LG ultrawide monitor. Meanwhile, you can post anything that you want to know about this monitor in the comment section. And by the way guys, this is a flat screen, it's not curved. This is the main problem with this ultrawide monitor. I'll explain in full review what does it mean. This is too early to share the things about this monitor because right after the unboxing everything looks perfect unless we use it for some days and weeks. That's the unboxing setup and first initial impressions of this LG ultrawide monitor. If you don't want to miss the full review of this LG ultrawide monitor that I'm going to post in future, right now click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to the side of it to get notified.